If you've ever watched marble racing on YouTube, you might like this new gaming concept. A new casino game featuring marbles that race on a looping track. The best part is, you can bet on the outcome. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the newest thing in casino gaming. Interblock Gaming is set to premiere Marble Run at G2E 2024, and it's already generating buzz. Think Sigma Derby, but with marbles. Marble Run is part of Interblock's new lineup called Amuse, which aims to blend amusement-style gameplay with RNG-based wagering. In Marble Run, players wager on racing marbles, delivering high-energy thrills and unique gameplay. It's like your favorite YouTube marble races, but with real stakes. The Amuse lineup also includes free-fall roulette, reimagining traditional roulette with pinball-style mechanics for an interactive twist. Dragon Roulette adds layers of excitement with a bonus stage featuring multiple ball launches, making every game unpredictable. Lucky Roulette combines modern 3D visuals with classic gameplay, offering a lucky number multiplier feature for additional payouts. For those new to marble races, check out Jelly's Marble Runs here on YouTube. You'll understand why Marble Run is so captivating. Marble Run is designed to attract a broader audience and generate new revenue streams for casinos by merging entertainment with gambling. Exactly how they will work an RNG-based game into gravity and chance is anyone's guess. Will it be 3D projected marbles or something else? We'll find out soon enough. Subscribe so you don't miss the update.